It's time to hunt some nickels. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got ourselves a nickel box. And it's hard to tell because it's dark, but I did look through there and I did see that they are circulated, but I haven't opened the box, so I don't know if there's any enders, and I can't really see the enders on the other side, so I'm not quite sure what we got here, but I do know what we do have, circulated nickels, and that makes me happy, and I'm excited to get one of these boxes because it's been a little bit. Let's see if there's any enders today. I don't see any enders. Looks like we've got quite a few old ones at least. And that's always a good thing. Especially when it's an old one on both sides. Probably just 64s. But at the end of the day, I like what I see. And I'm not seeing too many of the modern ones. So that's a good sign. As always, everyone, we'll start with this first roll. And we'll loop you in if I find something worth showing. It's always a good sign when the first roll yields a first find. Nothing crazy, but it's a 1946 Philadelphia mint on the board with a 40s coin in the first roll. Roll number 9, guys, had to do a double take. It's kind of dark, but it is a 1941. And might have a mint mark. It's hard to tell. I think it's just a Philadelphia, but it is our second 40s nickel to go along with 2 50s. So 4 finds in the first almost 9 rolls. Let's keep looking. Roll number 14, guys. Another 40s coin here. It's our third one of the box. 1941 Philadelphia. A little better shape than the last one. That's 3 from the 40s and already 6 from the 50s. So we've got 9 plus a 2009. We got 10 finds in the first, I guess, 13 and a half rolls. That's a good pace. Let's keep looking. Roll 22, guys, and it fooled me for a second. I thought it was a blank planchet or a completely screwed up air coin, but as soon as I picked it up, I could make out the Monticello on the back and the scratch marks on the surface, so it looks like somebody tried to surface this down to nothing. So anyway, kind of a unique find. Definitely done post-mint, but a find nonetheless. Roll 27. Got another 40s coin right here. 1948 Denver. Roll 31. Another 40s nickel right here, guys. 1946 Denver. We'll take it. That is actually now our 5th from the 40s. And check this out. 12 from the 50s. So, pretty good box so far. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll 35, guys. Found ourselves right behind this coin. Another 40s Jefferson. And actually, that one's a 1940. 1940D. Oldest of the box. Haven't found any 30s Jeffersons or any Buffaloes yet. Still have never found a V-nickel. In all my nickel boxes I've hunted, I've never found a V-nickel. But that's life. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll 38. Another 40s nickel. And this is another 1946. 1946 Philadelphia. So we've got 3 of those. Seems like it's a lot of 46s and 59s in this box. Roll 40. Another 1946 Jefferson. Would have been nice if all these were silver coins, but you know what? Early Jeffersons are still fun to find, so let's keep finding some more. Roll 44. What do you know? Another 46 nickel. Crazy. Add it to the collection. Roll 48, and I get something I don't get very often. A Canadian nickel. 1987. Roll 49, and we've got a 1947. 47 Denver. I'll take it. It's something other than a 46. Well, we finished that nickel box, guys, and we didn't get any Buffalo nickels. We didn't get any silver, and we didn't get any V nickels as usual. But we had a lot of finds. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Couple of 09s. Crazy coin that was sanded down. I thought it was pretty cool. We've got a handful of really good looking 60s coins. 61, 62 is ridiculous, 63, and a couple of 64s that look like they might have some steps. Kept this Canadian. Let's see, in the 50s, we got 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 from the 50s. I'm not going to go through all those. We got a couple from 52 and 54, a bunch from 56 and 57, a few from 58, and a bunch of 59s. I'll have to use a little rubbing alcohol to pull that number off this 58. And then we got a lot of 40s. We did get a 1940, a couple of 41s, and what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 46s, a 47 and a 48. So we had 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 early Jeffersons in the box. That's a pretty good hunt. Hopefully you enjoyed the hunt with me, guys. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.